Okay, so last month when I was filming, trying to put together my booth, you can come in. My peekaboo's coming in right now. Say hi.
Hi.
So last month when I was filming, getting ready for the booth, something interesting happened. And it got edited out of the booth setup video, but I wanted to show you guys because it is the epic junk haul of junk hauls. Take a look. Okay, so I didn't film again because I was just not feeling it. Tell you the truth, I don't have the right pieces right now. I have to go pick up, I'm still clearing out of my pop-up sale to get some of those pieces in there. I know it will come together because it always does, but I'll be back tomorrow. I can't, with what I have, I can't. And I had to get the remaining. Okay, so here's what happens. If there's too many boxes or too many things that don't work, I get manic. I can't, I just start shredding through boxes. And so I had to clear all the boxes out. So I took all the boxes. They're in Fluffy right now. They're back here. I had to get rid of them. I just have to. I need to be able to see the space. So that's basically what I was doing. Ew, I don't know what that was, but the good thing I own that stuff because it's trash now. I need to be able to see the space. So that's basically what I did, was clean the space out and just sit in it. I wrote some price tags while I was there on some stuff that needed to be priced, but I also didn't bring enough price tags. I didn't bring my price tags. I don't even know where they are from the pop-up sale. I thought they were in this bag that I have on the seat next to me. They weren't. So I don't know where they are. I'm gonna have to find them or punch some more. I mean, not that big of a deal. I'll just punch some more. But yeah, I'm kind of not feeling it. I'm hoping it will come together and I will be in love with it soon. I don't know what to tell y'all. It's going to take some effort this month. I mean, usually it does. Changing over a booth for something major like this does take some effort. But Christmas is really special to me and I need it to be magical. I want my space to look magical. I definitely need some lights. I made a list of things that I need to bring to help me feel it. I need to feel it, y'all. I need to feel Christmas. Maybe I'll bring the Josh Groban Christmas CD and play that while I'm working tomorrow and just listen and love and get into that Christmas holiday spirit. But I definitely need more glitter. I need more glitter. Send more glitter. Send bubble wrap and glitter. I'm gonna get a shirt that says send bubble wrap. Okay, I'll be back at it tomorrow. Okay, kids, we have a problem. Someone's getting rid of some furniture on the side of the road and I want it. It's not gonna make my husband happy, but there's a piece there that is so cute. I have to have it. If I can get it in this van, it's coming home with me. Let's see if I can get out on this road. It's a little busy. Yeah, that is so coming home with me. So cute. Yeah, we are loading this van. Yeah. Oh, there's like 3 pieces I gotta have. Gotta have. Hope I don't get hit. There's a fucking mantle. Good stuff, guys. I can't even believe this. Oh, man. And that's why we drive a van. A couple pieces of pressed plywood I left behind. But that is a mantle, a dresser with a hutch, and a chair, the like shutters, and a baby chair, a baby high chair. Vintage baby high chair. All mine for free. This is my junk run. This is like heaven. Junk heaven. Ooh, I beat this junker. Sorry, sweetie. You gotta be quicker. That lady right there in that white van was coming back for some junk, and I got it before she did. Empty van, score. She was just giving me the stink eye, big old stink eye. So I scored right before another junker. Yes. Oh, it's a good day. But now it severely cuts down on the things that I can bring back from my parents' house, from my pop-up sales. But I've got to get some pieces in here. I don't know if they're going to be willing to store all this, but I'm so excited. Can you tell? Can you tell that I got like, I'm so excited? Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.